Today's content reveals Xiaomi 15 Pro Live Hands-On. Xiaomi breaks boundaries with bold innovations. The Xiaomi 15 series is making waves even before its official launch, and tech enthusiasts are buzzing with excitement over the latest leaks and rumors. With every new glimpse, Xiaomi's latest flagship seems poised to redefine premium smartphones. The most recent leak, courtesy of Yang, has ignited the hype further, as Xiaomi's vice president, Wang Xian, was spotted holding the Xiaomi 15 Pro in his hands during a sneak peek shared on Weibo. The design, though reminiscent of its predecessor, comes with a refreshing twist that sets it apart in the world of flagship phones. Revolutionary design with a ceramic edge. The first thing that stands out from the Xiaomi 15 Pro leak is its rear design, subtly yet significantly different from the Xiaomi 14 Pro. Notably, the flash module now sits outside the camera island, which has become a hallmark of many modern flagships. But what grabs attention is the introduction of a ceramic camera deco, which not only elevates the phone's aesthetics but also enhances its durability. This premium ceramic material adds a luxurious touch that ensures your device remains a conversation starter wherever you go. A display for the ages, immersive and fluid. The display specs for the Xiaomi 15 Pro are equally breathtaking. Leaked details suggest a 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED screen, offering users an incredibly immersive experience that's perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Paired with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, this screen ensures every swipe, scroll, and tap feels fluid and responsive, making it an ideal companion for heavy media consumption and long gaming marathons. Whether you're browsing or battling it out in high-paced games, the visuals will keep you captivated. Color options that reflect luxury. Though the phone seen in the leaks was black, rumors suggest the Xiaomi 15 Pro will also launch in sleek white and sophisticated silver variants, giving users a variety of stylish choices. These colors, combined with the ceramic camera deco, promise to offer a design that looks just as good in hand as it performs. Photography powerhouse, pushing the limits with periscope telephoto. When it comes to smartphone photography, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is the model to watch. Leaks point to a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel Samsung ISO CELL HP9 periscope telephoto camera, packing some serious muscle with 100-meter focal length, f2.6 aperture, and 4.3x optical zoom. This makes it a formidable contender in the flagship photography space, even when compared to titans like the Vivo X100 Ultra. Xiaomi seems set to push boundaries with its enhanced telephoto capabilities, perfect for capturing crisp, zoomed-in details without sacrificing image quality.